In this lecture we will discuss difference between state and government. Though the two terms state and government are commonly used as synonyms, there is a difference between them. Government refers to the group of authorized people who governs a country or a state. State refers to the organized political community living under a single system of government. The main difference between state and government is that state is more or less permanent whereas government is temporary. The death of a ruler or a defeat at an election can change the government. What is a government? A government is the system by which a state or community is controlled. Government also refers to the group of people with the authority to govern a country or state at a given time. What is a state? A state is a type of political entity. It is an organized political community that lives under a single system of government. Difference between state and government. First difference lies in its definition. Definition of a state. A state is an organized political community that lives under a single system of government. Definition of a government. A government is the system by which a state or community is controlled. Second difference is the permanency. State is more or less permanent, while governments are temporary. Third difference lies in its concept. State refers to a political entity that is immaterial and non-physical, while government generally refers to a group of people. Fourth difference is power relation. State employs its power through the government, while government controls the state at a given time.